Hey you guys, if you'd like to see how I go from these ugly dry dookie twists to this nice super moisturized curly top knot bun, then keep watching this video. So just hopping right into it, the first thing that I'm going to do is start taking down these twists and get to moisturizing my hair. Also, the only product in my hair at the moment is conditioner. So the first step to moisturizing your hair with any hairstyle that you do is saturating your hair in water to prepare the detangling and moisturizing process. So my tool of choice when detangling is a paddle brush, so that's what I'm going to use, and I start detangling my hair from the ends to the roots. Okay, so this is generally what you should look like after you get done detangling the other side of your head. And once again, the only product that I do have in my hair is conditioner, so it was a bit easy to detangle, by the way. So the product I'll be using today is this coconut oil curl styler cream pudding by Palmer's. So as you can see, this product is thick and creamy, but it's still a little loose, if that makes sense. But it's the perfect consistency in my opinion, and this is how much I'm going to start off with. And even though it appears to be thick, it's definitely buildable and lightweight. And then just work the product into your hair. Focus on your problem areas, if those are your ends or wherever. Just, work the product into your hair. And since we're doing a bun, which is a protective style, it's okay for you to add more product. So add product as you go. If you know you need more product at the nape of your neck, on your ends, it's okay to add it because you want your hair to be super moisturized. And again, although this product is thick, it's very buildable. And after applying your product, I recommend going in with the brush or comb or whatever and just going through your hair one more time to further detangle and to distribute the product evenly. Okay, so this is how this side of my hair looks without any product. Super curly, but I'm going to go in and apply that product on my hair off camera. And once you do that, this is what you're going to look like. And now I'm going to take my oil mix and I'm going to apply a lot of oil. I use a lot of oil. You don't have to if you don't want to. But yeah, and I'm just going to apply that everywhere, focusing on the length of my hair and my ends. And yeah. Now I'm going to just make sure I got that ponytail holder over to the side, and I'm going to flip my head upside down and start working the hair to the front of my head. And then I'm going to take my paddle brush to smooth it to the top and just make sure it doesn't get any knots or tangles. And then I'm going to tie the ponytail holder on, put my hair in a ponytail, and I'm only gonna wrap it around twice. And then after that, I'm gonna scrunch my hair to just get my curls together. And then after I get done scrunching it, this is what it should look like. You'll see it right now. And then after this, I'm just gonna let it air dry for about an hour or two. Okay, so this is how my hair looks, about 60% air dry. So I'm going to take my spray bottle and dampen the perimeter of my hair. Then take my Gorilla Snot gel and kind of dilute it with some water. And then start to spread that all around my head to get my hair started for this smooth top knot. Now I'm going to just pull off this ponytail holder and take my paddle brush and just start to brush my hair up into place. So after my hair is completely smooth, I start to wrap it up in the ponytail holder, and I took about 2 ponytail holders and wrapped it around 4 to 5 times. And as you can see, that last time was so hard, like, oh my god. Okay, so since my hair was previously detangled and moisturized, my curls were already popping, so it wasn't hard to go ahead and just wrap my hair around and form my bun. So now you're just going to see me apply my bobby pins to make sure my bun stays in place, obviously, and add as many as you need. And now it's time for the best part, the baby hair. So I'm going to take this black brown gel, whatever, I forgot the name of it, but yeah, and I'm just going to start swooping my baby hairs. Y'all know how that go. It's very easy. Just swoop it. Just watch me do it, and y'all should pretty much get the gist of it. Okay, so after finishing my edges, I put a scarf on for about 15 minutes, and this is the final result. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. Super cute. It's really hot in here, so if you see me sweating, just ignore it. I had to relay my edges because it was so hot. But yeah, this is the final look. So if you guys enjoyed how I went from bye Felicia to hey boo, hey boo, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I got it mixed up, but you get what I'm saying. Subscribe, that's the moral of the story. Subscribe to your girl, you know you like me, and you know my hair came out bomb. So subscribe to my channel. Bye y'all.